Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well. Good morning. Dream team, one team. Blessed love to all. I know if you're here for the first time, welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. I remember if you're watching, guys, please put the thumbs up. And if you don't remember to subscribe and you're watching, you can go and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining. So while you're in the comment section of the live feed, you know, keep it positive and positiveness only. Nothing but love. So blessed love to all. So today I want to try and get some breadfruit. I can roll some breadfruit today. So link up Sonia. See if Sonia is around here. See if we can get some breadfruit roast this morning. Because as I said, there's so much breadfruit around here. Hopefully we can roast too. Sonia can have a breakfast too. Hey. Blessed uncle. Morning. How you doing? Miss Sonia. Miss Sonia have a nice open yard. Barbie dove, nice Barbie dove there. Nice Barbie dove and everything. So I hope you enjoy our vlogs. How you doing?
Hello.
Good morning. How you doing? No, I'm supposed to shake no hand. There's no shake hand. Morning. How you feeling this morning?
Not too bad enough.
Okay.
And this mommy Myron, I know he wasn't feeling well yesterday.
Oh, he wasn't feeling well?
No, he was vomiting.
Oh. So did you give him something for it?
Yeah.
So is he feeling much better now?
Yes. And his pressure was way up.
Way up.
But I have the tablets, so I gave it to him.
Okay.
And he didn't eat yesterday. He had breakfast. Then he bring it up back.
Oh. So he's not keeping down anything?
Well, he's okay now. So he have breakfast this morning and
okay. So that's good. So any breadfruit around here?
no,
you can get for roast?
No. Nobody have breadfruit. I have a friend around here, but everyone them not reach now there.
Oh, but the one them down that side when I was walking.
Maybe.
So I guess we have to go check them
checked
people.
Somebody yesterday for breadfruit, but I don't see him from yesterday. So
okay.
maybe you'd have to check out by the supermarket or if somebody come there with breadfruit.
Okay. So what you having for lunch today?
I don't know.
Well, if we get breadfruit, they can roast it. And then know where they want to cook it with.
Alright, mackerel.
You want mackerel?
Okay.
You want to come go shop, buy a 2 mackerel. You have a contact number?
Yeah, man.
So then you have WhatsApp as well, right? Alright, so make you tell me a contact number, because if anyone watching and want to support you, because while somebody was watching them say they knew you because they used to help out them family and you're a good woman, you know. So I guess once I put your contact out there, if anyone want to help or support Miss Sonia, because they really understand and see the struggle that you're going through. Okay. And there's people that out there that watch would really want to give you a helping hand. So I'm going to make Sonia read out her number, and you're going to see it across the screen where you can please go ahead and give her a contact, you know, and just send her any support you can. Because you can collect money at Western Union or MoneyGram, right? Okay, that's nice. So let's give it
869.
So it's 1876 869
4520.
4520. So it's 1876 869 4520. So that is the number for Miss Sonia. So please contact her, you know, reach out and help me help out a situation, because I live in Kingston, so just in case if somebody want to help out and I'm too far away, you know, I rather them contact you, you know, and them can in contact with you, so you can get her on WhatsApp or you can call her by straight, right? Yeah. So please, the Wi-Fi is down. Okay. So if anything you call her and you don't get her, it's because of the Wi-Fi. So where you get the Wi-Fi from? Oh, so you'd have to. So if you want to make a WhatsApp call, you have to go out there to make it.
No, it's not. It's
connected.
Yeah,
okay, so you got Wi-Fi inside the house.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're sorted then. Alright then. So what I'm gonna do? Walk down and see if I can get 2 breadfruit and thing. I'm gonna buy 2 mackerel for you as well to at the shop.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's mackerel alone you want? Cause mackerel and breadfruit nice still, you know.
Yeah, no.
Mackerel and breadfruit nice, so I guess.
Aki. Yeah, Aki with it.
Aki, but you're not Aki.
Nothing. I have some in the freezer.
Okay. So I'll get the which one the mackerel I want? The round one?
Anyone. Use any one of them.
Okay. So okay.
The long one.
So that's all you will need for now, right?
Yes.
So we'll get that for you so you can have lunch prepared. But I'm gonna walk down and see if you can get some breadfruit. Okay. The roast one. Alright, I'm not gonna make you walk too much now in the sun because it's too hot. It's too hot.
Yeah. So I'm sure he wasn't well yesterday. I really want.
Leave him too far, yeah, because he wasn't well. So I'm gonna come check if a banana. Because I might go boil a pot myself too after.
Yeah, you can get, because I have 2 ones inside, I can get one.
Okay, a banana inside I could get. Are you a banana tree at the back as well too?
Yes, but it's not ready yet.
Oh, it's not ready yet?
Banana I'm planting.
Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go shop and come back. Okay?
Okay.
Uncle Sue come back. Right. So I'll get you some mackerel.
Alright, take care.
So I'm gonna hunt the breadfruit like the breadfruit man.
Yes, okay.
I'm gonna hunt the breadfruit. But there's a lot down there, so it's not supposed to be hard to get any.
Okay.
Yeah? So I'll be back. Alright then, so guys, as I'm gonna say, there's so much breadfruit around here. There's so much breadfruit, guys. It's not supposed to be hard for me to get some breadfruit to come and roast. But I'm gonna need a bag. I need a bag. Miss Sonia, yeah? You have a bag just in case? You have a bag? Because I guess I'm gonna need a bag. Bag? Yeah, okay. For the breadfruit. So this is Sonia's nice yard space. Over there is where she did have to extend because the room is food for the poor. It's very small, so she'd have to extend it. Oh, the sun is very ripe this morning. The sun is ripe. No, the sun is so ripe, but you know, I cannot complain because when it was raining the other day, everyone has said too much rain.
And so, there was none in Montego Bay, I understand, you know?
There's none. Yeah.
Montego Bay didn't have any rain.
And that's just down Montego Bay down the road. Yeah.
And somebody from Montego Bay was talking on the phone on the radio this morning, and they said there was no rain.
No rain. Okay, so.
And we have so much up this side.
Oh. Alright then, so let me go get the breadfruit and come back.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah man, so I'm going on the breadfruit. There's too much breadfruit on tree where I cannot get any breadfruit right now in this morning. So we're taking the journey. So I'm gonna get her some mackerel. You know, mackerel and breadfruit, some people like it that way as well too. Mackerel and breadfruit. So I'm gonna try and see if I get any salt mackerel, you know, and see if me can go and cook a pot after, you know, boil 2 banana for myself in this morning. So let's go on the breadfruit hunt, guys. Come on. Hello. Hello. Alright, so this gate is locked. So this is a breadfruit tree that's loaded, but this gate is locked. And you know you can't jump people gate. I jump people here. Oh, there's someone there. Hello. Good morning. Psst. Hello. Hello. Morning. Can I have a minute, please? I'm right here. 1 minute. Can I have a minute? I'm here. Can I have a minute?
Who is that?
My name is Kino. I'm looking to Kino. I'm begging 2 breadfruit. No, me there. I stop. I beg 2 breadfruit, sir. Good morning. You know, I beg 2 breadfruit. We can get 2 roasting breadfruit. Are them already yet? Okay. Cause you, me a Kingstonian, so I don't know when them ready or not.
No man, they just a blossom.
Or Mr. Blossom?
Yeah.
Oh. So.
Yeah, maybe 1 to 3 weeks. Right.
Oh, and them look so.
Young something them and they just as strong.
And them look so big.
No, so the big breadfruit them know, but they're not ready.
Oh, okay.
When they fit them big like your head.
And my head not so big.
Huh?
My head not so big.
Yeah, check back.
But I'm not going to do here still because I'm going to go away tomorrow anyway.
Oh, they're not ready yet.
Alright then, thanks. I'm going to check down here, so. Alright. Alright, so the breadfruit they might look big and might look ready. But you know me at town, man. But they even know when the breadfruit them ready or not. But you see them one day at the big breadfruit when them fit. You see them big like my head. Hey. And my head not big, you know. But them big. So I'll go down the road now, walk some more. And see if I can see another breadfruit tree there. You have another one on the corner. So hopefully most can get 2 breadfruit. I could have to walk down the whole of the back street. There's so much breadfruit tree. So on another journey, guys. Alright, so we are at 1, 2 and another breadfruit tree over here, so 3. But here I'm gonna do. You know I cannot pick breadfruit, so I'm gonna circle and another breadfruit to another yard there. So I'm gonna circle the owner of this place, yeah. Yeah, breadfruit there, breadfruit there. Yeah. Morning. Hey, blessed morning.
Yeah, you would like say.
Blessed,
Yeah, I use like a crunchy.
Blessed, all is well.
Yes, maybe I can't come to you know, life for life, you know.
Life for life.
Life for life, right? Give thanks for life, you know.
Yes, and I pass through back, you know.
Which is right.
So guys, so blessed love, I'm here, you know. on the back street heading out. Okay, you know what I do at this morning? I say I walk, I look for roasting breadfruit. But same time I say I just add in at the frame while I'm doing so, you know.
I'm not the problem. So I'm trying to get you breakfast and find picking up.
So first of all, come here, I could tell them which part we at, because I say I have a business out in here as well too.
Yeah, right now we're at Salem Renaway. Sparkling car wash still.
Oh, it's Salem Renaway?
Yeah, Renaway.
Yeah.
Sparkling car wash.
Sparkling car wash?
Yeah. Coming in a new restaurant.
Okay.
I mean, it's the A1 cuisine.
A1 cuisine?
Yeah, restaurant, you know what I mean?
Okay.
So you get anything you need, fast food, anything, lunch, breakfast, we do everything, you know what I mean?
Everything?
Everything you need.
Early in the morning. So we have fun for breakfast, you know, in the morning?
Like today now we have today on the menu, you know what I mean? We have anything on the menu, they get me?
Yeah.
Boiled, you know, they take boiled banana and everything, they get me?
Also with the fried dumpling, fried breadfruit, the boiled banana and mackerel rundown.
Yeah, everything right there, you know what I mean?
So that means say, I not go bother cook no mackerel rundown then, man, because
on the weekend now, like Friday, enough jerk, enough Marlington coming soon.
all these coming soon.
Yeah, big thing.
Natural fruit juice and everything. So we're basically on the main road and off the main road, so you're in between.
Yes, sparkling car wash.
So you can show them the sign there.
Yeah.
They have the sparkling car wash over there. So guys, as I say, yesterday I walked by and this gentleman have a wonderful spirit, you know, energy, you know, and that's what caught me. Say, you know, let's give him a promotion, you know, because he needs energy. So this is the sign here. So welcome to sparkling car wash, you know, and sit over here. So again, that is it. So you sell things for car as well too. Everything for car. So you're driving past the main, which is Salem, right?
Yeah, Salem
Salem Runaway there. And you see the corner hardware. You know, say they're right there. So I'm going to show you what it look like. So if you're coming towards from Ochi side, coming this way, you know, heading towards Montego Bay, you're gonna see this sign. So it's a sparkling car wash where you can come get your car washed. You can definitely get your car washed. So give them a name again.
Yeah, Clive.
Clive.
Yeah, man.
So this is Clive. And so how long this business there, so now, Clive?
This business start about a month now, you know.
A month now.
It's a big thing right now, so they work community. Start right now, big time.
Can we realize that it looks fresh?
And I miss it, so.
People are the biggest thing right now. Well, to me, it looks so fresh. Can I bring my car come wash yesterday? I'm a long time I get a wash. My car look like that. You know, I was quite surprised. I'm like,
yeah, man, you're seeing this better.
Oh, so.
Yeah, we're not paying them to better.
Yeah, man, I like this. I like
the thing is best you can, you know.
I like the idea and what they do, you know, right from the front, and plus the breakfast. You know, anybody a pass early in the morning, you know, say you can't bother for making a breakfast. Just have it in mind, say here, and just stop on a sparkling car wash and grab my breakfast. This is at the A1 cuisine, you know.
Restaurant.
Everything is up and running. You can show it through the glass case. Everything is hot and ready. You know, hot and ready. We can show them what I want.
Trust me, brother.
Alright. Everything is hot and
nice and fresh.
See the breadfruit tree what caught my eye. Everything, whoa. Alright, so everything is hot and ready. Oh, so it's nice and clean, man. Clear. Good morning, good morning. Hello. Okay, so see there.
Bread fresh.
Everything fresh. So everything is ready. We have breadfruit and roast, so we say we have popcorn. So over here in my prep the vegetable. And this is all the chicken well seasoned and marinate done. See there? Well marinate done. So this is what kind of chicken you're doing this morning?
We're doing fried chicken and barbecue fried chicken.
Wow, and this is well done, well done. As you can see, everything is at already. Them thing expensive, you know. Everything that keep everything warm, fridge back. As you can see, the glass case with everything is warm. So you have this smoothie machine. So this is to be continued coming soon.
Regular juice now, and natural juice,
everything natural. Everything.
Pastry, everything.
Cake and everything you can come and get. And you have the juice here where you can come and get your juice and everything. So you have Oh, yeah, so you have everything in one.
Mix up everything.
So this is your milkshake or your coffee or anything you want.
I'm ready to get ready to go.
Yes,
ready
so
start the journey here.
Machine is here and everything. So you accept card as well too?
It doesn't come in, yes.
Not yet, not yet.
Come in card and
soon.
yeah.
So,
deliver everything come in.
Alright then, so you have everything in the building. As you can see, everything is nice and ready. You know, it's just very nice and clean as you can see.
Trust me.
Very, you can eat off of the floor if you don't want.
It's right.
No joke.
Right, the best.
And yeah man, I'm a hope for success.
Every day.
Yeah.
Every day. See
that's what them like, everything is lovely. And this is the breadfruit I caught my high. The breadfruit tree. So this is why I get the breadfruit off of?
Yeah, natural, everything I can have, everything with there. Nature-wise.
Nature-wise. So it's probably I get the roast breadfruit off of this one? Yes, sir.
Fresh this morning, nothing stale.
Alright then, yeah man, I want 2 roast breadfruit at the morning, I forgot roast, you know. So, I'll say guys, as you can see, here is very lovely and it's very cozy. You can come here and you can chill out, sit down, wait for your car for wash. No sun now burn you. You know, the place is very clean and nice. It's welcoming. It's very welcoming, you know, it's peaceful. And then you check out Sparkling Car Wash. So just tell them the number, the mobile number. Again. So yeah.
Look at every certain way.
Okay, so that is the number. 1-876-352-4461. And the address here. Yeah. So it's the main street, CLM, Senton. And you cannot miss it. So you can call the same number for order, right?
Yeah, man. Right now, yeah.
Right now.
So they'll put sign and them thing there, you know?
Yeah.
But you never register, you don't want to copy your name, you know what I mean?
Okay,
so
I get it.
Keep it, get your name now, because somebody get your name, man.
Yeah.
They want to see.
Yeah, original, man.
Yeah, man.
Right now, the program is transparent.
Yes,
because we do charity where we help out people and we church down. That's easy.
We do catering, you know? Catering, you know what I mean? Wedding, funeral, everything.
Everything.
Whole works.
That is great. Yeah. That is great, man. So, you have your service by your phone? I'm sure
no,
the
okay.
Yeah, because I'm going to show you the YouTube channel where you can see when time we're going to release it.
On YouTube, so I'm learning and getting things from information, you know.
So, what inspired you now to do this out here, so?
You know, say, to be honest, you know, just everything we do, I love, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So if we're getting right, we'll start.
Yes, true.
Inspired is a boy, food for nation.
That is it.
And I did it for the people, man.
Yeah.
I'm a dollar and I'm trying to help me everything. I'm not turning back.
I'm not turning back.
Car, with a garlic, cleanliness.
Yes.
So just clean.
Yes, I.
Look clean.
So cleanliness is next to godliness. And this is what you have, you know, the cleanness, let me see. I'll use a man well clean. Come here yesterday, well clean.
I'm applying for that, see that?
Yes, sir.
Mercy, what do I get?
Nothing more, nothing less. It is all natural. Not pretend. Everything is accurate as how you see it. I will give thanks for that, my general. I'm saying, continue upon the good work. Yeah, man. So hopefully, I'm say, there's a lot of people watch the program come from these places, Senton and Ochi, you know, well, same place, right? Montego Bay. So a lot of them watch this program because I know so they're gonna call you and people go pass and stop because they're gonna want them breakfast.
Everything, brother,
you know, because my viewers them is very loyal. You understand? So once them see me point the camera somewhere, I'm not pointing for in vain. It's for a reason.
The point every day. So we see everything when I go on, so we know.
You know.
See man say the same thing. So you promote me, a blessing set.
It's a blessing, man.
I know put one flyer as I know I can word amount.
And then people fall in.
And they say, bro, I take it to
Well, it is your time, so that's why it happened, you know. And from your time, you know, nothing could stop it. You know, then Father God said, what is for you, it has to be for you. It cannot be for nobody else. You know, and this is exactly for you. So you have to just continue upon the journey. You know. So could I get somebody pick the breadfruit for me?
No. You try to get help, you know. You get me, brother?
Yeah.
I'm trying to start some experience, you get me?
Alright, see there.
Everybody.
Yes, I respect, man. I respect. So yes, helpful, you know. And so guys, please go and come whenever you call. Please come and check it out. you know, come and check it out and tell them when you come, they say, yeah, I saw you on Keen Life in Jamaica, you know, and you see the breadfruit where the man got. Roasting.
Alright, make you one thing. See? You look small, but you can roast.
You can roast.
See? That's how we do it. Everything is fresh enough, you know?
Yeah. Everything fresh. So I realize around here so loaded, every tree loaded with breadfruit, boy. Yeah.
You can't find one more game, we can't reach them, you know?
Find one. Yeah. Try another tree, yeah. Everything is fresh, natural, well done. So when you eat that food, you can feel the electric in your body. Boogie, boogie, boogie.
The love of God, the movement of God.
Yes.
God, we do everything of love.
Yeah. And love is the see there.
All the salute, you get me?
Yes, sir.
I love that going like, you get me?
Love conquer the world, you know. See that?
I you love me, brother, see?
Give thanks.
Travel straight from travel.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man. To see it there. I imagine,
Yeah.
here, what, I want a lady.
Yeah.
Kind of she may help out.
Yeah, so it's after life, you get me?
Yes, I. So,
that's for a reason, you know?
yes, and she can roast the breadfruit as well, you know. So it's a blessing all in all way you can take it. Because I say the work of me do a charity, I do help out people.
Well, if you can't be there, I help you access to it.
I'm give
I love to be able to tell you, brother, because the man help me see him, you know.
Yeah.
And when I have money, sell it to the man.
Yes, sir. I don't know what you have, man.
The man help me enough, brother.
Yeah.
Alright, fine.
Thank you, bless it.
Guide, yeah, brother.
All over most.
You know it's on YouTube, man.
Yeah, man.
You have my number?
Yeah, man. I need for type it in on your phone so you can see it when it pop up. Today. So I got everything started now. I got the breadfruit, I got the mackerel. I got everything now, the breadfruit, the mackerel, the flour, the this, the that. So Bala Road can start now. Oh, this morning so bright, peaceful, quiet, so wonderful. So so this is our last morning here at the back street of Salem. This peaceful, wonderful morning, you know. This is the last morning here, you know. We have to thank our subscribers so much, thank our viewers so much. So it's wonderful, you know, for this lovely experience around here. Very peaceful, very quiet, and even music, you know, you play. Morning, not even music, they don't hear play. If you drop a pin, you hear it. You know, if you drop a pin, you can definitely hear it. Very cool. So I love this walk always in the morning. You know, stretch your legs, open up the lungs, you know, breath of fresh air. Yeah, I'm gonna get breadfruit one. Hey, I walk and hunt it. I wasn't giving up.
It's a brushy.
Oh, it's a brushy?
Brushy.
That's what you call it, brushy? Wait, okay, call it brushy. Like, old school name. Okay, brushy. So you got brush it like a brushy. So you get two of them here. Eh? No, at the tree the man give me half a tree. Out the car wash. Yeah.
Okay. The first tree is
him give me half a boat tree. So you can use and put on. Yeah. And you brush through them for us. There you go.
Thank you.
So here's the bag. Breadfruit stain bad though.
Not so bad, isn't it?
Not so bad, it can come out. Okay, so I'm gonna put on my little pack too.
Okay.
The brushy.
Brushy.
So there's no more breadfruit, so we get the old time days brushy. So who's watching, if you remember that name in your days, brushy? This is brushy. Two brushy. Look out for brushy. So I'm gonna throw my little pack now, my dumpling go and boil. Uncle laugh. So we call dumpling. Spoilers.
Johnny cake.
Oh, Johnny cake, see it there. So Johnny cake, so
Johnny cake, no, the big ones them.
the big one.
Yes, and called a cartwheel.
Cartwheel.
So cartwheel are Johnny cake.
So I'm gonna make bearings wheel. Yes. Cause I don't make my one them so big, I make them very small. Yeah, so mine are bearings wheel.
Bearings.
So you have Johnny cake cartwheel, and mine is the bearings wheel. You know, very lovely. And I love that breakfast between the breadfruit and mackerel. You know, but just show me that this boiled lumping. Oh, the banana. Oh, the banana. You get 2 fingers banana, please. So I can throw in the pot. And they never have no yam. Me that try buy yam, but they never have no yam.
You have no yam?
No, they never have none.
Get piece of yam.
Yeah, piece of yam. Whoa. You have to give me so much, you know. You can give me more. Yes, that will do. It's in there for me. Thank you. That will do. See, I'm getting yam. One thing we country, ground food. The land provide. You know, the land provide. So, Kingstonian, what you need to come a country. You know, food on your stone we like dog. You know, so walk. Because the breadfruit tree, I must say right there look loaded, but them big, but later say they're not fit yet. You know, but the big breadfruit, them, but when them fit, she said big like my head.
One hand wash the other, no?
Yes, sir. One hand wash the other. That's what the Almighty said, you know, it's a blessings. And I thank you so much, Miss Sonia.
Yes.
You know, lovely husband. Uncle.
I appreciate you so much.
Yeah, man, no problem. And I'm say, I pray and hope, once the number go out, they can reach out and contact you and bless you to help you out, you know, because that is what I do. I like to help out people.
Yeah.
You know, so it's my purpose of doing that. That's what you see. For some reason, if you notice our connect from out there and look how close we was. Yeah, without we knowing and everything, you know, so that's how the Lord works sometimes.
I was saying to my husband, so I don't normally talk up to young men. When they come up to me, I might just say, hi and pass. But there is something about you that connect.
Yes.
And we talk, and this is where it reaches.
And this is where it reaches, you know. the Almighty, man. We are here for a purpose.
Most of the young men, them don't have the manners and them
true.
talk something sometimes.
Yeah, unnecessary. You know, it's very unnecessary because, you know, we grew up respectful, you know, because me used to, when you walk past, you ever say morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Because if you don't say it, is it the person that says, I'm going to tell your mother, or you tell your father, you know, the manners, if you pass me, and I say nothing, you know. Yeah, in the reach, you may get 2 leaks, you know. If you pass and I say good morning, or good, and you can't even swear, make anybody hear you swear or cuss anybody word. Yeah, no one can go to your parents and more bother for you. You know, so we grew up in them days, so we grew up with care and love, you know, and respect. Because it is the way, you know, but you know what going on with this generation, like, them lost it all. Them I realize the elders that paved the way for us, you know, so we, cause remember our parents was elders, and them teach us, you know, same thing we see when we walk by, everything they teach us to be humble, you know, humble yourself, you know, have respect. Because you're not going to see a young man and disrespect him, you know. You're not going to do that because that's not in your age group to do that, you know. You show love and respect all the way. Discipline.
Yes. Those are the type of words.
Yes.
I can't come later.
Exactly. No respect, no respect, not for so. I'm going to leave, you know, and go and come back.
Right,
you know,
yeah,
go and make my pack go and bubble.
Yes,
and we can go and roast in the brush and things. So.
Alright,
take care. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, so that's the love. So right now, me I go boil my, not the cake, not the wheel, but the bearings one. Not no Johnny cake. Hey, not no Johnny cake. I'm gonna put on right now. Right now, I'm gonna put on the bearings wheel. You know, to say them feel. Me I run up the bearings wheel. Hey, cook up the bearings wheel. That I'm gonna put on, but now cook up the bearings wheel. So guys, so stay tuned. So we'll be definitely trying to hit a river today. So let's get the ball rolling. So well, Dream Team one team. So I guess now we are ready to go and take on this next adventure and go do horse riding. So I guess we're gonna head to the beach where they do horse riding. So I'm not quite sure the name of it. Yeah, so I'm not sure the name of it. So that's where we're gonna be heading today. Yeah, so that's where we're gonna head today. I'm not really too sure. So hopefully when we get there, we can know where we're going. So we're gonna head with the GPS and see what could it be. So as I say, like before watching, you know, that's the thing, go smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to Kino Life in Jamaica. And remember, thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. It's been a pleasure having you lot watching us. You know, it's been a blessing, and thank everyone that been praying for us for guidance and protection on the road. Okay, I know it's been a journey, been up and down on the road, all around, you know, Jamaica, trying to get these wonderful scenery of our beautiful country, you know. So it is a huge blessing for us to be doing this. So thank you so much, Dream Team One Team. Well, so we reach.
Man, see signboard, man. And see the thing for my associate, man.
So this is Benji, and you are the man for control over this, right?
Yeah, man. Horseback Riding Association, man.
So see there, so
Actually,
you have a website as well, right?
Yeah.
So this is Benji, you know, the founder of over here. So as I say, him give you a decent price because you know, say him see we come from far, look up away, so it's reasonable.
Take a picture of that, point upon that.
Yeah, so how long now you have this going over here, sir?
Good while over. You see, we do this over 35 years or more now, but we just up on a location now, like about a year and a half.
Year and a half.
We're up on this location.
Okay. Yes, I'm going to catch you. Yeah, so year and a half now you've been doing it.
Yes.
So a year and a half.
Yeah, on this location. That's what I say.
Yeah, because we know some past here a couple of times.
And we used to be out of the roundabout where you trying to have a roundabout where you got town.
Yeah.
We used to live on the roadside up the side.
Okay.
The government himself moved from off of the road.
So this
give
is
a location
which is much more ideal.
Alright, come deep before the night come down.
Alright then. So this is the information, guys. If you want to get your bookings done and this done, you know.
Okay, guys.
Put the back in there. Keep your feet down, my lady. Keep your feet down. Put the pressure
So,
on the feet. Yeah.
years, you know, you're the one of this. Years, you know, you're the one of this.
Man, we do the adventure. Put in the foot.
On the saga.
Yeah, put the foot down.
On the saga. On the side that too?
Yeah, wait. Take your foot out. Take your foot out.
Okay, hold on.
Go down. Go down.
Quick.
Now, I'm going to stretch your right down. So you have tall legs. Put the foot in. Stretch your other one.
Stretch your other one, because I know my legs them tall.
Now when you come back here under no great pain, you know?
Yeah.
Go on, go enjoy your ride, man. Up a little more. Go on now.
Wait, so water and everything we are going on?
Naturally, man, everything now.
Alright then.
Go on, Kaka.
Alright, here we go. Take on the
Don't pull back.
Huh?
Pull back.
Okay.
Like you drive your car.
Yeah. Whoa.
Go on.
One, Kaka, one.
Come up, watch the game. Go on, yo. Come on.
Nah, them say do it. Outside with there. Alright, the CBR. The Mwongo.
Lean forward now.
Lean forward.
Yeah, man, doing
Alright. You ever ride a horseback before? Feel well high. You know, well high. So check me out. Check my out. Yo, what that ass name, my general?
Bossy boy.
Bossy. Oh gosh. I'm there a part with Bossy. It's a Bossy and Bossy a roll, right?
Yeah.
Hey, Bossy boy. So I'm Bossy boy, they are going to roll through. This it is. So we and Bossy boy apart. So you see, this is the track. You know, we roll through. So how old is Bossy boy?
15.
15?
Yeah.
Okay, Bossy boy, a big boy, big teenager, man. Two of them are the same. Two of them are the same.
Yeah, Bossy boy, but I'm a baby.
Okay. Yeah. So you say two in our family then. So what you name general?
Norris.
Eh?
Chuck Norris.
Chuck, hey, wait there. So one name Chuck Norris, right? And this ass name Bossy boy. So listen, you're a movie star.
Yeah.
Because Chuck Norris ride horse in a show, you know.
Yeah. Real movie star.
And you, Chuck Norris and me and Bossy boy, they are par. Hold them Bossy.
Come on.
On the track kinda muddy still.
Yeah, muddy.
And the rain, right?
Yeah, man,
From general, yeah, trot barefoot. Yes, I saw.
I'm a slipper. I'm right on the beach there.
On the beach. So that's why you trot it every know where all your slippers there. I put all down on the beach there.
Sure.
Two down there.
Eh?
Two down there. One down there from yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah.
Boy say boy. Racehorse track. So one time with that I look a boy and ride them thing in country, I would say kui. God.
Sit back now.
Sit back. Okay. Going down and sit back.
Yeah man, feet forward, limbo.
Lean forward.
No, sit back.
Oh, back.
Limbo.
Oh.
Limbo. Going down.
So when you're going down the hill, you just lean back.
Yeah.
And when you're going up, you lean forward.
Yeah.
Okay.
Zagaza!
So the horse said no emission.
No, I mean.
Whoa.
No, I mean.
Come on. Kui, Johnny, kui. Kui, Johnny, kui. Kui, Johnny, kui.
Come on.
Hey there, I wrong person, yeah, whip, you know. And me, a whip a while ago. Yeah. And I whip the horse, I end up the human. So we there, yeah?
Just one, so. Short. Don't pull it. Just hold it short.
Let's hold it.
Swing your feet. Just swing your feet front to back.
So,
you see, you have to stand up on it, so.
yeah.
Yeah. You just keep your heels down,
Heels down.
heels down like that.
Yeah.
Swing it now.
So.
Yeah.
Oh.
But this one, don't pull on it.
Okay, let's hold it so.
Yeah.
Aye.
It's unique, you know?
Unique. Aye. Yeah, drive, ride me CBR right now. Aye. So there, no plan.
Go fast, so you don't give me a little kick up.
Aye.
Come on, ready, come on.
Come on.
Ready, move. Come on.
Come, Woody.
Come on, move. Come on. Put up.
Bossy boy. Bossy boy.
Oh, it's your time.
Bossy boy. Bossy boy. Go on, Bossy. Go on, Bossy. Go on, Bossy. Bossy, we're Bossy. Big side, you know, the thing got DM1 go up there. Hey. Bossy. Oh, like that. But you still now take it off. Bossy boy. Well, Bossy, see the seawater ride. Guys, this is a lovely adventure. You know? Lovely adventure. Take on the seawater. Alright. That is it. That means it. Yes. Give thanks. Come on, Bossy boy, get in the water. Bossy boy.
Sorry, you did not select an option.
Well, Bossy.
Sorry, you did not select an option. Thank you for calling emergency services. Your call will now be disconnected.
How wonderful is this, thieves? Come, Bossy, turn to the right, Bossy. That is it, Bossy. That is it, Bossy. I'm riding. Boy, them call them horse. Some call them donkey. But this is a horse. at the Cayman and Strap. And Kino going down the furlong and he's got 100 meters to go and Team Wango heading up long and Bossy boy looking well, Bossy heading down to the finishing line and Bossy boy smell the finishing line and Bossy boy going and we can see the seaside over there. Bossy boy, what?
Go.
That is it. That is it, Bossy. Yo, Bossy boy, I want some shocks. Yo. Hey. You want to take me to the mask to the tag on for my leg for more long. Shot Norris, legend himself, big movie star Chuck Norris. Yes, Bossy boy, we and Chuck Norris apart. Don't get it confused, people.
Call down here Silver Blue. Going up the water.
Great name, Silver Blue?
Yeah.
Okay. Name of this water called Silver Blue. If it's silver, why them call it Silver Blue?
Why they call it? Because one of Christopher Columbus boats sink in the water, so they name it as Silver Blue, you know?
Oh, Christopher Columbus boat sinking in the water?
Yeah, up the top.
Up the top, yeah. Okay.
When they name that's
Silver Blue.
And the property, they call it Silver.
Silver?
Yeah, that's where you can find the great house on top of the hill.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Like Jamaican heritage land, you know?
Yeah. A good thing me used to ride donkey when me used to go Westmoreland. Yeah. Yes, me used to ride donkey when me used to go Westmoreland and look boy for catch water. Boy, show them what time it is. That is it. Go on, boss.
Yeah, man, just sit back, peaceful.
Yeah. Bossy, I am so bossy. Right, yeah man, Bossy boy, I feel well, Bossy, watch how I'm bouncing. Alright now, Bossy boy, let's take your time. That is it, Bossy boy. Him not here. Nah, make him know I go on late. Walking on the beach. Yeah, Bossy boy, I go on par. Yeah. Wash ashore. Come, Bossy boy. Give them a run. Give them a run, Bossy boy. I eat that. Oh, bag juice bag. Okay. The one there. Don't empty out already, man. Oh. Okay. So Silver Blue. Dancing Blue. I mean dancing now live, love up vibes, relax. Should I have a cigar? You know the thing go. I go on a road show in the evening of Bossy boy and Chuck Norris. Pure movie star thing I go on. You know. Right now I'm a turn cowboy, ride Wild West. See there. Cowboy shoes down there, Bossy boy there, Bossy boy, And we have Chuck Norris I go on par. So right now Chuck Norris not that America, I'm that Jamaica. You see me? In turn he retired from the movie scene and turn art director. Art director. So how long now you been doing this job?
Huh?
How long?
10 years now.
10 years since you leave the movie scene?
Yeah.
Okay, so how was it in the movie scene being Chuck Norris?
Yeah, good, you know?
Good.
Wild West, you know?
Because Chuck Norris never used to take lick, you know. In a movie them, you know. Come. What's over there? What's the boy tired?
All of the work out when you got ready yet.
Oh. Go and dig the bird see him here. Might as well. Nah, go home. Dig the bird. Of course. Mango. Yes, boy, the boy with it. I want to tent that in there, so. Huh? On different spot. Huh? Over there, you see it deep.
That's where the ship sink in the water, right here.
A ship sink over there?
Yeah, right here.
Oh.
Christopher Columbus ship, man.
Oh, Christopher Columbus ship.
Yeah, I want to say sing, man.
So over here is a drop over.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what it's.
Over here is a civil, yeah. What do you call it?
Civil blue.
Civil.
Where is it name again? Chuck Norris?
Yeah, man, civil blue.
Civil blue.
Yeah, where is the name Civil Blue? But over here in a place.
Yeah, civil.
Name Civil.
Civil.
Yeah, they do like some slavery they put on back in the days.
Oh,
The great house up on the top.
up there, so.
Yeah. And right now they have one local warehouse one or so. But the state they used to come off to one local passengers and walk. And right now, when I show you the chapel, we'll check back to the bush.
Okay.
To show you.
To the bush.
One local. Right now, when you come on.
Yeah.
Dock the ship now and take off to slave them.
Oh. I'll carry them through there, so.
Put them in one prison around there, so. On church.
On church.
Yeah.
So yes, how deep yes is as it's a blue? Well deep.
Very deep, man. Very deep. Deep. Come down till they get all black.
Eh.
Very deep.
So people, so you see the white end. After the white, you know so that's deep. Deep. It's all that it looks simple. If nobody knows when them walk, see me in the white part, I'm gonna feel like saying, yeah.
So walk it this time like right now.
Go all the way to the tree.
Go through the middle, yeah, so if you can't swim, you go through the middle.
Oh.
When you go through the middle, when it's like, all that mango, them bird, them.
Yeah.
You can walk when the people right back up to up to the middle of the sun, not too far.
Okay.
Over the sun was left right.
Yeah, like yes. Oh. When I nigga deep.
Very deep.
Very deep.
Yeah.
Yeah man, tricky. Cause I watch it. I also shut a piece. Yo, pick it up. I also shut a piece. Look at that. You see where the white at the edge of the white there, so if you step right over, you drop right down in the hole. Right deep. So deep. So deep. Wow. Oh, it's the bathroom. Hey, using the bathroom. You need toilet paper, bro. Bossy boy, you need toilet paper, bro. You just use the bathroom, bro. You need toilet paper. Chuck Norris says just using the bathroom. Hey, Robin, Chuck Norris, because I wonder him stop a while ago. Chuck Norris says just using the bathroom.
Ready?
Bossy, you ready? Can you give us a go, Bossy?
Yeah, hold him short.
Hold him short?
Yeah, get more balance.
Alright, Bossy. Come. Go on, Bossy. Up, Bossy, up. Up, Bossy, up. How much trip Bossy do already for the day?
You know that? Second one.
Second one this.
We have enough work.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm realizing about holy pass out there. I want to raise them.
yeah, we raise them one.
Okay. So before one used to rent them.
Eh?
Before we never have so many.
Oh no man. Then buy.
Or them buy them. So how much for all the ass?
All 100.
100. Oh, that's not bad. It's like a man a buy a yang bike. You know? A yang ultimate car through the ass now move fast as the yang I go too far as the yang, you know? 100 when time them a baby.
Eh?
100 grand when them a baby.
No, no really.
At this size and age?
No, like younger. Yeah?
Oh, younger.
But not so young.
Okay. So if you have a big ass like this now, how much you sell that one for? Eh? That one you like how much?
Eh?
That one?
One I know?
Yeah.
We can't hear the price.
Can't need the price. Oh, them well trained. Okay. So for 15 years, boss, it well trained.
Them train from them a tree, isn't it?
Oh, from them a tree. So how long now you in a bossy life?
Almost 10 years now.
10 years now. Oh, so that's why I understand you.
Yeah.
See there. That's why a bossy boy understand.
But for mama be a days.
Mama be a days. Where you call down from? Okay, okay. Long time that man. Them time the bossy was 5. So wait, you live in a center here?
Yeah man, right here.
Oh, you born and grow here?
Right, someone is a part.
Yeah.
Mama.
Okay, okay. Mom, dear. Wife and kids.
No wife.
No wife.
No girl.
Yeah.
No girl, no girl.
You're a sharpshooter then, man. I'm a Chuck Norris because I'm a movie star, you know.
Yeah, man.
By the name Chuck Norris, you know, a movie star, you know. Yeah? Oh. Oh, flavor base on the phone. Bossy Chuck Norris, man. So what him do as well, don't they?
Yeah, I'm a lifeguard.
I'm a lifeguard, okay.
But we sell like
Okay. Okay, okay. So you're a big swimmer too?
Yeah man.
So you grew up near the water,
Yeah
yes?
man, go down
So you could have been a lifeguard too as well?
Navy SEAL, you know?
Navy SEAL. So that could deep part the way you show me, it come like nothing to you then?
Nah man, you can't bring it. I want to shoot people.
Eh?
I don't mean to shoot people, but I want to shoot people.
Oh.
You can't go, you know?
Got the edge part where you stop a while ago, where you say you could have swimming there, so?
Yeah man.
Oh, okay.
Nice, this one. You know what I mean? Oh. Nice and I did.
Yeah, yeah. The water. Well. See that? And a boat that. I mean, a bossy boy in the water top. Take your time, bossy boy. Alright, what's the boy? Move now. Go, go. Bossy boy never give up. Bossy, bossy. So you see, Bossy boy is very smart. He's carefully testing the water. Because you can see, he's getting deeper where he's stepping. As you can see where D is, it's getting deeper where the manager is good. So Bossy boy is carefully stepping. You know, these horses are well trained. You know, they're well trained and they're very smart as well. So they know where the danger is and they make sure they take them time, you know, and step through. Being well trained, and Bossy boy being a good boy that he is, you know. Bossy boy being a well trained boy, being a good boy. That is Bossy boy. Check out Bossy boy. Bossy boy, come to your left, look. Come close. Wow. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Bossy boy, follow him, master. Guys, so thanks for watching. You know, it's been one of those wonderful days. Thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. Thank you all who put the thumbs up. Thank you so much for putting the thumbs up, and thank you for who have subscribed to Kina Life in Jamaica. Thank you so much. It's a blessing, you know, for the journey that we've been on. You know, Almighty put us on. So who could it be? You understand? Because in life things are already set for us, you know. So we have to accept what is, and accept this part of life. It's just the journey of life. And this is one of the journey of life. You know, putting a smile on all of your face, see how wonderful Jamaica is. All the adventurous stuff that we can enjoy here in Jamaica. How wonderful is that? Come on, so please guys, so thumbs up whenever you're watching. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, remember we are really no faker. You know, big up Team Wango. You know, we're having a wonderful time. all the way from Kenya. Because remember, the same way we show them the love, the same way we expect to get the same love whenever we're in Mama Africa. Huh? Mama Africa. So guys, watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.